Hi, it's Gordon from GalleryCookery. We are making new epoxy tables, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, because it really helps us out to grow on YouTube, Insta, Facebook, and you can follow us on the website gallerycookery.com. Year 2020 was a lot of movement in the world of epoxy, because we also had to change house and move for a different location. You could not work with epoxy on one location anymore, and we have now moved house to the farm mill in Tubbergen, and we do some progress there with suar wood. And in this wood cabin I make some epoxy tables, 2 on the run now, and almost finished. Stay tuned and follow us around. Have a great 2021.